Chrissy, just to tag on to that topic a little bit, 40 years of law practice, countless numbers of people have called me and said, Tom, my mom or dad have passed away. They've left me out of the will, or they've done things unequally. I want to challenge that will and set it aside. My response to that caller is, hey, let me see a copy of that will. If that will was prepared by an attorney, signed in the attorney's office, witnessed and notarized by the attorney and his staff, guess what? It's rock solid. If that will is prepared by the child who got everything, and that will is witnessed by the child's best friends and signed in mom's home, well, they got a good case. And I've seen it both ways.
And that's really the starting point, though.
That's the starting point.
It's about who prepared that will is always your starting point, and then you know that as soon as you see that, you're able to accurately give them, hey, this is what I think. If it was prepared by an attorney, you have very little chance.
Yeah. Well, let me go a step farther about that, okay? It might have been prepared by the attorney, but I want to say that it needs to have been signed in the attorney's office as well.
Oh, absolutely.
Because I've had the situation where there's clearly the attorney, an attorney prepared this will, because hey, I can look at a will, I can tell that, but it was not signed in an attorney's office. He handed it to somebody who took it home to mom and said, here, mom, sign here. Now, that might be open to challenge.
It could be. And once again, as soon as you look at the will, you know exactly what's going on.
So when a will or a trust is signed, whoever is witnessing and notarizing that document, they are in a sense making a statement that the person who signed it is competent. And that person that signed it was not under duress. Nobody was holding a gun to his or her head. So that's, if you're ever going to challenge a will, that's going to be the first thing that's going to be asked. You're going to be taking the deposition of the witnesses and the notary and gathering up that information.
All part of the Florida legal requirements for a will.
Yes. Hey, folks, my name is Tom Olsen. The name of the show is Olsen on Law, every Saturday at 1 right here on WFLA. We're going to take a break. We'll be back in just a few minutes.